In this video, I'm going to show you how to track whales and insider wallets on Solana meme coins. So for this, we're going to be using Axiom Pro, which is one of the best platforms for trading Solana meme coins. It has a lot of different features, it's packed with premium features, and I would highly recommend it. So in case you don't have an account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now on here, if you want to track whales and insider wallets, it's actually quite simple because they have this wallet tracker option. Now, you can pin this to your screen and just have it anywhere when you are trading, okay? So this is very convenient. If I go to polls over here, I can just have it anywhere, basically manage my wallets, add them, import them, export them, and then you can see live trades here on the right. So let me just show you how to actually do this. So if you want to track whales and insider wallets, of course, first you will have to find one. So let me just go over here because Axiom has it quite convenient. You can see different trades happening. You can see the orders, the holders, the top traders, etc. And in here, if you look goodly and if you look basically in depth, you'll be able to find some whales and insider wallets in here between these, okay? So basically you will have to filter through and then try to find some whale wallets. So of course, not every wallet is going to be a whale wallet, like you likely know, but some of them are going to be, and some of them are going to be insider wallets as well. So just find some insider wallets. Over here you can see a bunch of different tutorials on how to do that from a bunch of different people. I'm just trying to show you how to actually track them over here in this video. So for example, let's say this is a wallet I would like to track. I'm just gonna copy it like this by clicking on it. I'm gonna go to trackers up here, and then on the left, wallet manager, add wallet. You just have to paste in basically the wallet address, and then you have to give it an emoji and a name. So I'm just gonna give it, for example, a star eye emoji. The wallet name is gonna be video, for example, because I'm recording this for the video. I'm gonna do add wallet. There we go, this has now been added. And if you then go to live trades, whenever a trade happens from that wallet, you'll be able to see it inside here. Right now, no trades are happening, so of course nothing is showing up, but it will show whenever a trade happens. You can just pull it up over here and then have it, whatever you're doing, just have this over here. Whenever you see someone bought something, you can then decide whether you want to buy as well and essentially copy trade that person. There we go, as you can see, it just happened right now. You also get a notification at the top of your screen. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.